Articles. The words are and they are articles. We use a and an to talk about a thing in general. They are called indefinite articles. We use the to talk about a specific thing. It is called a definite article. The article a is used before a singular countable noun which begins with a consonant sound. For example, he is a banker. I visited a zoo in Delhi. Before a singular countable noun which starts with a vowel but has a consonant sound. For example, he studies in a university. You sounds like you. Mark is a European. Before an adjective that comes before a noun. For example, he is a good driver. We gave her a sweet present. The article a, n, is used before a singular countable noun which begins with a vowel sound. For example, she is an actor. They live in an igloo. Before a singular countable noun which starts with a consonant but has a vowel sound. For example, his name starts with an F. F sounds like F. He is an MP. M sounds like M. Before a silent H, for example, I'll meet you in an hour. He is an honest man. The article the is used when we talk about a particular noun. For example, the dog that bit me ran away. The sun and the moon are heavenly bodies. Before names of rivers, oceans, seas and mountains. For example, the Ganges, the Pacific Ocean, the Caspian Sea and the Himalayas. Before names of books, newspapers, magazines. For example, the Panchtantra, the Indian Express and the Outlook. Before names of monuments and buildings. For example, the Red Fort, the Parliament House, the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Before the names of countries with plural names. For example, the Philippines, the Maldives, the Netherlands. Before the names of countries that contain the words Republic, Democratic, Kingdom, States. For example, the United States of America, the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. Before nouns that are of certain cultures. For example, the Chinese dumplings, the Russian opera, the Indian Prime Minister. Before superlatives and ordinal numbers. For example, this is the tallest building in Delhi. I met him the third time in a mall. Keep in mind, we do not use the before the names of the languages. For example, we learn English. They speak Chinese. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1A. An aeroplane. 2A. An owl. 3A. An coin. 4A. An ant. 5A. An brush. 6A. An tent. 7A. An orange. 8A. An window. 9A. An apple. 10A. An hour. B. Fill in the blanks with A. An author. 1. I saw strange bird yesterday. 2. Sun gives us light and heat. 3. Do you have umbrella? I need it. It may rain. 4. Is there any milk in fridge? 5. Charminar is in Hyderabad. 6. It will take us hour to reach there. 7. Jhelum is a river in state of Punjab. 8. Sahil is tallest boy in his class. 9. He is drinking cup of coffee. 10. I want to be pilot. My friend wants to be astronaut. 11. I have friend who lives near Quest Mall. 12. Yesterday was coldest day of the season. 13. I will have apple and banana for lunch. 14. Americans were first to land on moon. 15. I saw eagle, owl and peacock in the bird sanctuary. C. Fill in the blanks with the correct article. Mark a cross where none is required. 1. Harry, I saw interesting TV show last night. Matthew, what was show about? Harry, it was magic show. Matthew, who was magician? Harry, she was old lady named Michelle. She is from France. Matthew, where is that? Harry, it is country on continent of Europe. Two. Atul, tomorrow is my birthday. Priya, yes, I remember, it is on 10th of August. Atul, I am planning party. Priya, that's great idea. Where will celebration be held? Atul, we could go to water park near my home. 3. Reema, I have cat, dog, and hamster. Rohit, oh. How do you manage all pets? Reema, I don't have to look after the cat. It is smart. Hamster stays in cage. My dog has to be taken care of. 4. Aarti, my aunt is journalist. Mitali, is she reporter? Aarti, no, she is photographer. Mitali, now I remember, I saw her with camera yesterday. Aarti, yes, she went to click photographs of birds near the lake. D. Rewrite these sentences after correcting the errors in the use of articles. Some may have up to 3 errors. 1. I am from the India. 2. Look at a sky. It is going to rain. 3. A Taj Mahal is on a banks of a river Yamuna. 4. The Michael wants to be an engineer. 5. A French love their cheese. 6. I ate an banana for breakfast. 7. The Jane is going to a UK this summer. 8. A president will address the nation today. 9. That was exciting game. 10. A sun rises in an east. 11. You are an tallest person in a class. 12. A peacock is a national bird of the India. 13. A honest person always speaks a truth. 14. This is one of the best authors of the world. 15. We have the beautiful garden. A garden is full of the roses. 16. A Nile is the longest river in the world. 17. He quickly ate a cookies that were meant for the guests. 18. My brother lives in an apartment in the center of the city.